7 Psychological Secrets to Attract Any Man. Have you ever wished you could crack the code? That is the male mind. It always appears to be a mystery, no matter how hard you try. Everyone has been there. You meet a guy and fall in love with him. But no matter what, he doesn't seem to notice you. It's annoying. But don't worry. Science has the answer. In this video, we'll look at 7 psychological tactics for getting any man to like you. So keep watching. Your ideal partner is out there waiting for you. 1. Walk to his left. Your left side is related to your right brain, which deals with emotions and beauty, whereas your left brain is associated with logic and reasoning. It is stated that walking to the left and speaking in his left ear might appeal to the right side of the brain. This indicates he may be more emotionally stirred when you talk. According to Sam Houston State University research, emotional phrases, in particular, are more likely to reach him when heard through his left ear. 2. Meet on a bright and sunny day. Warm weather causes your body to release endorphins, which makes you joyful. Meeting on a sunny day will enable him to relate his happiness to you and your company. This also means that you'll both be in a better mood than normal, which means you'll enjoy your time together even more. If you're planning a date, double-check the weather forecast before making your decision. Choose a day with some sunshine over one that is cloudy or rainy. 3. Lean forward. Body language is a key factor in shaping how he perceives you. You're undoubtedly aware of the concept that if you stand tall and carry yourself confidently, he will notice. However, you may be unaware that there are precise body language signs that would indicate to him that you are interested in and attracted to him. Lean forward and express your interest in him. Give him your whole attention by turning your body towards him. This is the most basic tip for attracting a man you love. 4. Use lighting. Make your appearance more appealing by using lighting. What? Ladies, don't turn on me just yet. It's not what you think. You will not be required to do anything, at least not consciously. Dim lighting dilates your eye pupils, which are the black centers of your eyes that open and reopen naturally in response to changes in brightness. According to studies, men regarded women in photographs as more appealing when their eyes were dilated in the photograph than when they were not. If you're going on a romantic date, find a location with dim lighting to make yourself look even more gorgeous. 5. Adjust your tone. You don't have complete control over your voice, but you can make little changes as required. Men are drawn to women with lilting, high-pitched voices. These are more feminine and melodious voices. If you normally speak in a seductive tone, raise your voice a few notes to seem soft and delicate when speaking to the man you want to attract. 6. Start on the inside. Throughout history, women have been glamorized and exalted as pure, angelic, and delicate. Men like women who live up to these expectations by having beautiful, radiant skin. To get radiant skin, you must begin from the inside. Drink plenty of water, eat more vegetables and fruits, and take vitamins. Then your skin will be shining in no time. 7. Tone those arms. Guys are notorious for being drawn to tall women, which we all imagined was due to their long legs. New research, however, found that men are psychologically drawn to women with attractive arms. Well, you don't have to feel bad about manipulating him because you're not casting any magic spells. Rather, it is just understanding how to use your special knowledge to your benefit. I hope you found these tips useful. Meanwhile, if you want to learn how to make him see you as the prize he wants to win, do not forget to watch the free video from the link you can access in the video description. Thanks for watching.